Hi, in this session we are going to talk about the drill hole modules that are available with Incom Discover. So for that we would go to Discover, select the drill holes menu, go into the drill holes, and we can start our project by going to the project manager. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new project altogether. So click new, and this would be Telecomine project description demo. But you can save your project in a place where you find it convenient to find. It is not necessary to keep all your data into the C drive. You can keep it in D drive, or you can also keep it on your desktop. It doesn't matter. Okay, I have to open a few tables that will be used for the project creation. So section lines. Next, elevation, total depth. Make sure that you input your data into your Excel sheets in the same format that is available with the software, because then otherwise there would be conflicts and the software would be a bit reluctant in accepting the data. It gets confused. Yep, so for topographic surveys we'll select topography, surface geology code. Next. Hmm. Okay. So after this it will validate for the project. Check, no records found. Next. See, now this is showing you that the error is there from 239. Exceeding amount is 11. So you can see your data. You can straight away correct it. I'll save table, save, close, refresh. Yep, error is gone. Next. Okay. I can open your project. There's one more table that we need to open, that is for section lines. Yeah, so now you can see these are the section lines. We can name section. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to prepare a plan for this. Sure, plan are there. Now we're going to create a section for line number 9. Section 9, generate. See, just need to check if the data is correct. Okay, okay. Close. Now we can display the downhole data on these boreholes. So for that, what we're going to do is we'll create a line graph. We'll take SA, take zinc, 100, 8. Oops. So now you can see your line graph. Now we'll add a histogram. Zinc. 0 -8. Okay. Oops, some problem. Not take it for zinc, we'll take it for gold. And maximum display, we'll keep it zinc. Maximum display width could be like 10. Okay. Yeah, we'll increase it a little bit. You can actually apply and then check what suits your representation better. And still increase this. Take 50. Yep. Now I'll put in a trace shadow for lithology, geological code. I'll select legend sample geology. Okay. Yeah. So this is how you can actually work on your drill hole data. You can display your drill hole data, and then you can label. So you can see calcareous shale, turf, breccia, black shale, intrusive, and all the other mineralizations, sandstone, available at different depths. At what depth what mineral is present, you can easily make out using your assay values. Now in case you want to look after your drill hole data in 3D, what you got to do is right click, view in 3D. Okay, yep. It will take some time, and then it will open these drill holes straight away into the 3D. Yeah. Yep. See. So I can play around with this. You can transform it to. This is one thing that can be done. The other thing is Mapinfo Discover 3D, and then view drill holes, and then you select all of the drill holes in the project, and okay, I need to close the previous window that I had opened up. And yeah, here. Appearance, 3D tube, thickness, put on to 20, apply, yeah, constant color, apply. We've taken pausing. Okay. So like you can view your drill hole directly into the 3D window as well. I guess this is pretty much about how you can view your drill holes in 2D and then in 3D. You can also transfer your images, your geophysical data in the background. All that can be done. But for this demo, I suppose this should be enough. Okay.